Hello viewers, welcome to Latif's BD channel, Legal Asking and Legal Solution of Bangladeshi Law. I am PM Shirajul Islam Shiraj Pramanik, lawyer of Bangladesh Supreme Court. Today we will discuss about divorce law and procedure for Muslim law in Bangladesh. That means how can you divorce your wife or your husband. But before you listen to the main discussion, subscribe my channel, and to get our videos regularly, click on the bell button. Under the Islamic law of Bangladesh, there are two types of divorce. Firstly, judicial divorce. Secondly, extrajudicial divorce. Extrajudicial divorce are the basically husband's power, wife's power, mutual consent, and other processes. Provision and law in matter of divorce for Muslim law in Bangladesh are firstly Muslim Family Law Ordinance 1961, Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Resolution 1939, the Family Court Ordinance 1985, and the Muslim Marriage and Divorce Registration Act 1974. Now find out step by step divorce law related topics. The Muslim Family Law Ordinance 1961 under section 7, the husband may divorce his wife. Soon after the pronouncement, a written notice to the chairman of Union Parishad, mayor of Pursaba, or mayor or city corporation, or any other authorized officer shall be given. Also, a copy of this notice shall be given to the wife. After that, the chairman shall constitute an arbitration council within only 30 days of the notice, attempting to settle between the parties and take all other necessary steps for settlement. If settlement fails, then the divorce will become effective after 3 months. That means Iddut period. These 3 months shall be completed for talaq to become effective. In case the wife is pregnant at the time of divorce, the divorce will only commence after the pregnancy. Now let us know the divorce on behalf of the wife. According to the section 8 of the Muslim Family Law Ordinance 1961, if the wife gets right to divorce by delegation, she may exercise such rights in the same manner as the husband. That means you have to follow the Muslim Family Law Ordinance 1961 under section 7, so far applicable. Moreover, under the Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Registration Act 1939, a wife shall be entitled to obtain a degree for dissolution of her marriage under section 2 of the Act. That means Muslim Marriage Act Registration Act 1939. The ground of a degree for dissolution of marriage under this section are such as if the husband has been missing or not found for 4 years, if for 2 years the husband has failed to provide his wife maintenance, if the husband has been sentenced to jail for 7 years or more, if the husband has failed to perform a material obligation for 3 years or more, if the husband was powerless or to continue to be so, that's sexual powerless, if the husband has failed to fulfill married responsibility for 3 years or more, if for a period of 2 years the husband has been incensed and suffering from any other critical disease, if the wife was been married before the age of 18 years and she refused the marriage before achieving 19 years of age, if the wife is being treated with nastiness by her husband, which includes habitual assaults or physical torture, leading an immortal life, forces the wife to lead an immortal life, in performing religious activities, does not treat his wife quickly, like the other wives, if the husband has several wives, or any other ground as provided in Muslim law. Moreover, the Muslim Marriage and Divorce Registration Act 1974 mentioned about registration of Muslim marriage and divorce. As per Section 6 of the Act, a registrar may register a divorce under Muslim law on the application being made to him for registration. In addition to his wife, when a wife has delegated the power to divorce her husband, talaki tawfiq, proof of such delegation shall be produced to the registrar to register this type of divorce. Hopefully, you have got a clear idea about the divorce law and procedure for Muslim law in Bangladesh. If you want to know more information about this, please mention our comment box. We will return to you with a video on the subject. So for today, everybody will be well. Keep yourself away from Corona. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.